In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new service in Acuity Scheduling. Whether you're setting up appointments for the first time or refining your existing schedule, this step-by-step guide will ensure you're able to offer your services seamlessly and professionally. Let's get started by logging into your Acuity Scheduling account. Once you've logged in, direct your attention to the left-hand menu. Here, you'll find a section labeled Appointment Types. This will be your go-to area for managing the different services you offer. Click on Appointment Types, and you'll be taken to a page displaying any existing services you might have already set up. It's essentially your hub for managing everything related to appointments. Now we want to add a new service. To do so, look for the button that says New Type of Service and give that a click. This will open up a form where you can input all the necessary details for the service you'd like to offer. First, you'll need to give your new service a name. Choose something that clearly communicates what the service is about. For instance, consultation, if you're offering expert advice in your field. Next, you'll see an area to add a description. This is your chance to provide a snapshot of what your clients can expect. Keep it brief yet informative, capturing the essence of the service without overwhelming potential clients. The next section asks for the duration. How long will this service take? Be realistic with your timing to ensure you can manage your schedule without conflicts. Having exact durations also helps clients plan their day effectively. Following the duration, you'll enter the price for this service. Setting the right price is crucial, as it reflects the value and expertise you bring. Make sure to consider your market and what competitors might be charging when setting this price. After filling in all those details, you'll want to finalize this process by saving your work. That's done by clicking the Create Appointment Type button. By doing this, you've now successfully created a new service offering. It's immediately available for clients to see and book on your scheduling page, which means you're all set to start managing these appointments. Remember, keeping your services clear and straightforward helps set the right expectations and enhances the booking experience for your clients. Regularly updating your offerings and making sure your descriptions and prices are accurate will also help maintain a professional appearance. With practice, you'll become more efficient at setting up and refining these details to best meet both your needs and those of your clients. Thanks for watching, and I hope you find this guide helpful as you continue to grow and manage your services with Acuity Scheduling.